Na surprise. Well, this is awesome. Well, since you guys are here and this is here, let's open it and do a tutorial. Why not? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Our channel. I'm actually half of the gaming cousins. That's why I said the word our. Doesn't matter. Anyways, today I'm going to be opening Na surprise, as you have seen me just walk by. So we're going to be opening this today, and this is Series 4. If you guys can see it, it's right there. Let me show you guys for a close-up. Series 4, and this is the whole box, and it says Na surprise. 1. Confetti balloon unboxing. 2. Outfit and shoes. Purse. Unzip surprise. Soft fashion doll. 2-in-1 surprise. Fashion doll plus purse. That's what I just read. Na surprise. And collect them all. So this is purple and it's so cute. And if you can see right here, it says push to open. Let me show you guys right here. It says push to open. So we are going to push it and open it. Also, hashtag not sponsored. We're supposed to do. Yeah! Okay, we're opening it. It's going actually pretty well. We're just well, it's kind of like you have to like open the sides. There we go. We're opening it, and this is how you just kind of pull it, and boom! Man, that was actually easier than I thought it was going to be. And when you open it, it's this big box, well, this bag. Ooh, I feel something in there. And oh, okay, here are some instructions, and like right here, there was instructions and something here. I'm going to get that out later. I'll take that out once I finish that. So let me open the instructions and see what we're supposed to do. All inside. Okay. Oh, you blow it to open it. I'm thinking that you have to blow it to open it. So let's just get that straw out. Let me get the tape off it. Ooh, that's a purple straw. That's super cute. That's super cute. So it comes with a purple straw. So it says put it into the hole. Like there's supposed to be a hole. Oh, right here. So you see that circle right there? You stick the straw into the circle, I think. I'm hoping I'm doing everything right. If not, comment down below and tell me what I am doing wrong. And then it just says blow into the straw to inflate the bag, then remove the straw. Do not overinflate. Okay. And then it says, then remove the straw. Gently tear the performance strip. So I just blew into here. It's pretty puffy now. And now I have to tear, I think, this. Yeah, I think I might have to tear this. Oh, there's like a thing to pull. And then, oh, before I do this, I'm going to get a tray because my dad said I should get a tray because it's going to get too messy. And my dad doesn't like confetti everywhere, so we're going to get some. Well, yeah, we're going to get some this tray right here. And you guys at home should too, in case. Oh man, right there, confetti's like ah! Oh my goodness, that just went like everywhere. Yeah. This is really hard to push. I think the confetti all got out already. Maybe I'll just blah, 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 blah. If you guys didn't see the confetti all just popping out, You should rewind it and watch it. I'm gonna use some scissors to cut this part open. Okay, there we go. We cut it open, and all the air is gonna be flowing out. I have to sit down for this. Oh my goodness! So when you open the bag, it's fuzzy. Okay. So it's white. Oh my goodness. I got the panda. And if you guys didn't know, pandas are my favorite animal in the whole entire world. So this is like amazing already. Okay, so we're gonna open this last because I think the doll might be in there. And there, they smell good. There are a couple other surprises in here. Well, here's is it like the collectibles, I think? It might be like collectibles that you can, the collectibles you can collect in Series 4. So, these are all the different na-na-na girls and boys that you can collect. So, you can collect 6 girls. I mean, 5 girls and 1 boy. This one is Tommy, I'm sorry, I have to read it from here. Tommy Toro, Bianca Bangle, Bebe Groovy. That's those 3 right here. We got Julie Joyful. That's the one I have. That's the panda. The bunny is Mylane Maud, and the cat, I think, is Paula Perfect. So let me show you guys one more time what they all look like. Super cute, and this one is the one we got, and it's amazing because so on the box it had like, there will be like one of these circles right here. Let me give you guys a close-up. If you guys see like the tiny band, like this circle right here, yeah, so you guys saw the bunny circle, and the flower means you're gonna get like the bunny. So let me show you where on the box that it says. So it should be like right on this side, and I got bamboo. So I was thinking like maybe that's like the special one or something. And I was like, oh my goodness, I got it. So I got really lucky that time. Now just clean up this little mess because I did make a pretty big mess that I will show you guys right after I clean this part up. Okay. Okay, so we got some of it, and oh, forgot, we have to open these surprises. Oh, look how cute that is. They have those like that. And let's open the smallest one first. This one. Ugh. So, oh! It just literally popped up and I was like, and the 2 shoes, oh, these are so cute. I think they're the wrong way. Oh, yep, right this, like this. Look how cute these tiny shoes are, and they're like so big. That's so cute, so we're gonna put them right there. Sorry if you guys can't really see the tray or inside the tray, just because like the camera's not really toward it, but it's fine, I think. I think this is a dress or something. Oh, this is so cute. It's like covered, like wrapped up. Okay, so we gotta pull it out. You have to pull it out and see. Oh, this dress is adorable. Let me see. Oh wait, it might be just the bottom part, or is it just? Oh wait, it's just like a skirt. It's like, no wait, no it's not. Let me see. Oh, the straps are right here. If you guys can see them, the straps are those. And like the dress is like, it's so cute. I thought it was just like a skirt, but then like this part is the torso part, and then that's how the dress goes. That is so adorable. So we're just gonna set that right in front of you guys. And let's open up the panda. I actually got really lucky. So I hope you guys get lucky once you see those. But at the end of the video, I can show you all the tiny symbols. So then whenever you get a series 4, if you get a series 4 na surprise, then you know which one you want, and you could just pick it out. It won't be really a big surprise. But if you guys want a surprise, don't even look at it. Don't look at it at all, really. Where are the scissors? Did I put them back? It's fine. I'll just kind of rip it. Or I could try to tear it. Tear the tape. They always have tape, and then it's so hard to get out. There we go. We got one tape. More confetti. Okay. Oh, that's it. Whoa. Was there another piece of, oh, there was. I'll just get that so we can open this the right way. Okay, there was only one left. That should have been easy for me. Oh, to spot. Oh my goodness. You guys can't see it very well right now. But look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, she has like real hair. This is so cute. Okay, let me move this over here. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, her legs bend. Like, ooh. Like they move like this. And there's like, it's like felt or like fabric or something. And she has a panda hat. That's amazingly adorable. Let's see. Okay. Her joints are so cute. Like her shoe. Let's put her shoes on. Actually, let's put her dress on first. And oh my goodness, she has like a bracelet on. And I really like her hair. Like her hair is like darkish brown with like details. It's like black and brown mixed together. My hair is technically just dark brown. If you guys can't see it, it looks black, but it's really like dark brown. So yeah. And this girl is so cute. I love her hair. I can't stop playing with it. Okay, so let's see. So this is her dress. I'm not exactly sure how to exactly put it on, but there's Velcro on the back, which is good. So we can just take that Velcro. You can hear the Velcro. I never really like Velcro too much because sometimes it's just weird sound. You know the weird sound, like the sound that I just made ripping it, like that sound. Oh, it's so weird. It hurts my ears. I'm kidding. It doesn't hurt my ears that much. Come on. I forgot what's her name, so I have to look at her name later. Oh my goodness. Her hair. Her hair is going to get in the way. Her hair is going to get in the way. Can we turn her head? We can. But it's kind of fragile, so I don't want to turn her head too much. Her head is now backwards. That's a little weird. But that's okay. We're just going to stick that right on. And done. Let's turn her head back so she feels much better and she doesn't like look weird or anything. And let's just pull her extra hair back. It's like real hair. This stuff is like real hair. Oh, okay. And they have like this thing right here. But first, let's put her shoes on too, because this is adorable. Like, her hair is so cute. Okay, let's put her little shoes on. Oh man, it's kind of hard to put shoes on them. Is this the wrong way? Oh, yeah, this is the wrong foot. Whoops, that was a little sad. Come on, stick her little footy in. Stick her foot in. This is like hard to get her foot in. I'm sorry, but it won't go. Oh wait, that's how it's supposed to go. Oh wait, no. I think this is might how it's supposed to go. It's a little like out a little bit, but it's okay. We're good. We're good. I did not need to scream to do that. Let's put her next shoe on. Stick her little foot in properly. Oh, that just fell off. Stick it in. Okay, we're good. We got her shoes on, and it just keeps coming off. Stick it back in. Come on, shoe. Go in there. I think, yep, her shoe is in. Yep, okay. So we got her full-on outfit. Let me just sprinkle her up a little bit. Get that up. like get those skirt down, and that is her. So guys, this is what she looks like. She has nice pink shoes, that's so cute, and she has a very nice blue with like flowers on it dress, so adorable. And her hair is amazing, which like I can style her hair, but I like it curly like this. It's like natural, you know, and I can take off her hat. I think I might. Oh, I think the stick is staying there. I think her hat stays there. Yep, I'm gonna wrap up very soon. So, yeah, it's super cute. Now let me just cut this part open. My scissors were here all along. Oh, got it. Put the doll on the side.
Sure you wanna wear this?
Oh yeah, it's a little hot. I'll change.
Oh, are you recording?
Yep. Okay. So this is right here, and it says, "Na na na surprise, Julie Joyful, this birthday." Oh, they have birthdays. December 12th. Okay, your birthday's coming up because it's Oh my goodness, did I? Oh, it's fine. I think it's fine. So her birthday's coming up because it's November already, and it's December 12th. That's like the day before my grandma's birthday, I think. So, and she says, "Always look on the cute side of life." That's so cute. Well, and I think you guys can put the doll back inside here and just like, yeah. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up in the fist. And turn on post notifications so you know when we post new videos. Bye!